Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Antarctica. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Take care when opening the overhead compartments, as some objects may have shifted during the flight. We trust you had a comfortable flight. You will be met by dedicated ALE staff on the ground to assist you with the next leg of your journey. Thank you for choosing to travel with Antarctic Logistics and Expeditions on this extraordinary expedition, and we hope you have an unforgettable time in Antarctica. Goodbye. Thank you.